Hola, curious souls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your host, Syati. Before starting, let me quickly ask you a question first. Have you ever seen a dream where you were falling but not reaching the ground, or a dream in which you see yourself being trapped inside anything, just like as shown? The reason I'm asking you all about this is because of today's topic, planets, the unproven existence. Before telling you about planets, let's just talk about black holes. Black holes are exactly like the dreams which I just mentioned. Once you fall in them, there is no way out. Black holes are simply the collapsed stars, that is, the stars at the end of their life, which are usually more massive than Sun, and they collapse because they ran out of fuel. The fuel simply means that stars are getting energies from some fusion and fission reaction. See, fusion means when two or more elements combine together, and fission means when a big element breaks itself. So, when this happens, they collapse to such an extent that even a light can't escape that space or that region. See, different mysteries about black holes are still unknown, like what actually happens inside them. What would happen when a person falls? Will he experience a quick death or a slow death? Or what would happen when two black holes, as shown in the picture, will collide? So, first black hole which was discovered was Cygnus X1 back in 1965 during a rocket flight when they detected the presence of strong X-rays coming from space. So this is actually very interesting that Cygnus X1 is the strongest X-ray sources detectable from Earth. From picture you can see that black holes are surrounded by a colossal disk of gas and dust. That black hole is swinging around, pulling in and hitting up. So this is the basic about the black holes which we needed for the video. So let's get back to the topic first. I hope you must have heard the term planets. Obviously you would have. After all, we live on planet Earth. So you should know that any celestial object is called planets if it satisfies the three basic conditions. First, it must orbit a star. In our case, it is our sun. Second, it must be spherical in shape. And third, the path or the orbit which this planet is taking to revolve around that star should be fixed. I'm sure you all know that Pluto is no longer a planet because its path was changing. That's why its planet title was kind of snatched. See, planets are almost synonymous. Actually, they are even same. Planets are simply the planets which are revolving around the black holes. Firstly, you should know that planets are hypothetical till now. We don't have exact evidence to prove its existence. Scientists just keep doing some mathematical calculations from observing our surroundings, from observing the space or the radiations which they are getting from the space, and from there they concluded that planets might exist. So I found about the planets from this newspaper article. So planets are simply the planets which are revolving around a black hole. So the process involved in their formation is same as that is involved in planets. So planets are formed when the dust and gas will swirling around a young star collide and they clump together. So these planets are expected to be 3000 times as large as Earth, and the distance from black hole is 100 trillion kilometer. That's quite large. So the distance is so large is because you should know that if they would have existed they wouldn't have existed if they were near the black hole. So that's why this distance is quite far. So I hope you have enjoyed today's topic as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I come up with videos on every Thursday. Take care you all. Sati signing out. Bye bye.